Hello, Honors Pre-Calc. So we're back, and we're back because hopefully you saw that one rotation around a circle. You know that that can be measured as an angle as 360 degrees. Or if you're thinking about circumference and length, we could call that 2 pi r, where r is the radius. But 2 pi r, if we think about pi as being approximately 3.14, is approximately 6.28 radiuses around the circle. So then, if we think about a radian as being defined as the angle made as you wrap a radius around a circle, you would have 6 and a little bit radiuses, or in a circle you would have 2 pi radians. So we can measure our angles in a circle as a portion of 360, or we can measure them as a portion of 2 pi radians. So we can think of it as this: 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. Now, a lot of times you won't see a unit attached to a radian, so if you just see nothing there, then that counts as a radian. So the next question is, well, how many degrees is 1 radian? And if we wanted to answer that question, we want to know what 1 radian is equal to. Let's solve this equation, this side of the equation for 1. Divide both sides by 2 pi. That's going to cancel. 1 radian, sometimes it's abbreviated rad or nothing at all, is 180 degrees divided by 2 pi. And similarly, if we were to solve the other direction,
it's not your bunny. Yes, it is.
Girls, girls, shh. If we had 2 pi radians and we wanted to find out how many radians were in 1 degree, we'd divide by 360. We'd solve for 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radians.
Dad?
So very small.
I'm here to take care of Honey and Two.
We are fostering a bunny right now, and so it's very exciting here. There's the bunny. It's so cute. All right, back to math. So if I wanted to convert back and forth, I can use, whoops, this should not be there. It should just be pi. My bad. We can use these formulas here. So we can say, like, if I want to know how many radians 45 degrees is, I could say, well, I want to know how many radians that is, so I'm going to multiply that so that my degrees cancel out. I'm going to say pi over 180. That's how much 1 degree is. So I'll multiply it by 45 and I'll find out how many radians it is. That's going to cancel and I'll get pi over 4. So pi over 4 radians, I don't have to write radians, is equal to 45 degrees. If I want to go the other direction, say I want to find out how many pi over 6 radians is, what is that in degrees? Well, I'd multiply that by 180 over pi. Notice my radian, my pi's cancel out. 6 goes into 180 30 times, and my degree that I bring along with me is there, 30 degrees.